Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at ViSPR, which is an amazing tool that you can use to improve your website SEO, and that's going to help you gain loads of organic traffic for absolutely free. As well as that, I'm going to show you an amazing website where you can go get this product today for a massive discount, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video for that. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so jumping over to the website, which as always is linked down below in the description, make sure you go and check it out after this video. So ViSPR is an amazing product that's going to help you to create backlinks. Now, backlinks are essential in SEO, but if you, like me, don't know much about SEO or don't have the time to collect loads of backlinks, then this is probably the tool for you, because it's going to allow you to rank much higher up on Google and to start getting traffic from people who are searching for the particular products and stuff that you are trying to sell. So how it all works is very straightforward. The do-follow backlinks exchange network dominate the Google search rankings and supercharge your SEO in no time with instant high-quality backlinks from a hand-curated networks of startup partner pages. Now, a backlink is basically something else that links to your website. For example, if I create a YouTube video, I can then link it on Twitter, which is a high-profile site, and that's going to give me one backlink. But you need plenty of backlinks in order to be able to start ranking highly on SEO, and this is a tool that's going to really help you out with that. You can see that various different things here on the right hand side. So we've got perfect 10 all pages, all page 1 search results linked back to the startup, 39 of 40 hits on the first 4 pages of Google search. You can talk about it. It's going to give you SEO for dummies, no other SEO optimization on the whole website, and 3 months old and not even connected on Google Search Console, and then best results. Even if you've got weak SEO on your website and you haven't really effectively done the SEO tools, this is still going to help you to rank just through backlinks. So SEO can be a very difficult and timely thing to set up, because you need experts in SEO in order to be able to do it effectively, or to go and teach yourself SEO, which can take a long time in order to be successful at it. So this is like an inexpensive and cheaper way to be able to achieve similar results in a very small amount of time. Like it's saying here, it used to be rocket science. It used to be very difficult to set up SEO, but this is a great way for you to get started. And it used to be kind of a shady trick where people were always doing these sort of black hat things and grey hat things in order to be able to rank highly on SEO. And if you've tried before to build backlinks and you've done it through various different ways, then it can be a really troubling thing. And here we got Neil Patel, who's one of the masters of SEO, and Brian Dean as well, talking about how successfully this website has helped them to build their platforms or their website businesses. So obviously guys, this is an amazing product. We're going to take a look at the pricing, etc. in just a moment, but as well I'm going to show you an incredible link where you can get massive discounts today if you go to the link down in the description if you want to jump across and check that out now, but I recommend sticking around until later on. So stay in contact with our matching partner directories. So it offers you different ways in which you can link into the tool and enable you to improve the lead generation and sales that you're getting on your website. It can be used for all sorts of different things, whether that be entertainment, gaming, health foods, travel, real estate, e-commerce, and much more. And as well as that, you can create a new category if your business model does not fit into any of these. For example, something like well-being, spirituality, which is obviously a very big niche in e-commerce, as well as in coaching and mentoring, etc. So you can see down below different types of websites and things that have been using it, and you can create very tailored, detailed backlinks for your website without affecting how that website looks to people, which is obviously essential if you want to keep your business model looking exactly the same, but just by improving your SEO, backlinks, etc. to gain great results. Let's jump across then and see how the pricing structure looks before we look at a way in which I'm going to save you tons of money today. So you can see basically how it all works. Apply with your website and your ViSPR network, so you can just sign up with your network. They'll manually approve each of the partners which are going to backlink to your website to make sure they're the most suitable backlinks available. You will need to embed the ViSPR code on the website, which they'll give you tutorials, etc. to help you do very straightforwardly, and then it's going to supercharge your SEO with a do-follow backlinks. You automatically receive a do-follow backlink from all other partner pages connected to the ViSPR partner network. And you can see down at the pricing stage, we have a special lifetime deal for the pro version at $199, which is going to give you your 5 SEO keywords, all backlinks embed code, etc., as well as lots of other things. Now that's still a good deal, but I still think we can get a better deal. So let's have a look. So there's no free version available for you to go and trial this platform. So we don't really want to go and spend 199 euros for a lifetime deal because that's quite a lot of money. But let's find out how we can get this for significantly cheaper. So bringing you across to the AppSumo website, guys, which is linked down below in the description. I have an amazing offer for you today. It's not going to be available forever. So if you want a product and you want to do this, then there's a better way. You can see here there's a one-time purchase availability, which can save you a massive $1,439. This is going to give you a lifetime access, not like the other one, which is just an annual membership. It's going to give you the lifetime access. So if you want access to this website today to run your SEO, then this is the place that you can do it. You can see that you're going to get lifetime access, 5 SEO keywords, all the backlinks, video explainer, which is absolutely crucial. If you want to set this up properly, using the video explainer is going to really help you to improve the results that you're getting. And obviously, I've told you already how important SEO is and how important setting it up properly is to help you on your journey. There's some information from the founder here, as well as people have asked various questions. There's various answers available if you want to go and find out more information, or if I haven't answered all of your questions already. Coming down below, guys, you can see all of the different reviews as well. People are all really happy with what they've been using and saying that the traffic is now 11,000 per month, which is absolutely insane. And that's not just random traffic, guys. That's people coming to your website who have been searching for how to buy real estate, how to invest, how to buy whatever, where to buy this, where to buy that. Everyone who's coming to your website is really already pre-qualified to be great traffic. So if you've got an amazing website already that's going to be guaranteed to sell products to people who are interested in it, then you can get free traffic. It's going to absolutely explode the profit that you're able to make no matter what your digital business model is. So in summary, guys, ViSPR is an incredible tool that's going to enable you to improve your SEO game pretty much instantly by creating loads of high quality backlinks for a very affordable price. I'm going down through AppSumo link down below in the description. For just $59, guys, you can get lifetime access to this product to absolutely explode your digital business game. As I've mentioned, it's not going to be around forever, so make sure you go and check out that link now so you're not missing out on the best opportunities available. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, guys, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel, you want to hear more about amazing digital products at just a fraction of the cost they're available for on their own websites, then make sure you subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date with all the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.